Hi, this is the TCL 305i and I'll show you how to install a phone keyboard on this device. So first we should open the Play Store app and then in the search pool just enter the green Apple keyboard. So now we could tap the install button to get this application. So just tap to this button and wait a couple of seconds while this application will download it and then install it on your device. Then just tap to open the app and click to enable in settings. Tap to the switcher and click twice to OK. Then go back, tap to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So now the process is finished and let's just check our new keyboard look, and we could see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as to all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video leave thumbs up and subscribe.